In this tutorial, I will show you Live Paint selection tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. I have already opened an image I have collected from Pixabay. So Live Paint selection tool, this is here. This is Live Paint selection tool. Shortcut is Shift plus L. After accessing this tool, you cannot edit anything with it. I need to select Control, then select the shape. After that, you cannot edit with anything with Live Paint selection tool because you need to activate Live Paint bucket tool first. So when you accessing Live Paint bucket, and I am selecting this tool, this color. So now I need to activate Live Paint group. So I need to click any shapes. I am clicking here, and you can see I need to make it okay. After that, you can see now this is an Live Paint group, and you can colorize any parts of the image. You can see that it captures all the shapes it recognized. And also here is you can see when I am clicking here, now and separate group has been created which is called Live Paint group. After accessing this tool, if you want to, I would like to show you, if you want to colorize any parts separately, you can see here is no color, all are line, but you can see that all the colors here. So actually you need to select here and make it expand and okay. After that, you can see that here is no Live Paint group and you do not find any Live Paint. So here is now separate group has been created. You can see all the colors. These all are now changed to shapes after expanding the characters or vectors or image. So I am undoing it. I am back to the Live Paint group. Now I am accessing it, Live Paint selection tool. After now I can easily click here. You can see now it is capturing this shape, and you can change color of it. Now you can see any yellow color, then it will be dotted, it will appear as dotted. You can see, you can select same, and fill color is activated here. Activate, you can see all the similar fill color has been captured by it or recognized by it. I am making it greenish color, so you can see. Now I am clicking any shapes of green, similarly same fill color, it will recognize all the similar shapes. So I am making it more versatile yellow color. So in this way you can work with easily with Live Paint bucket and Live Paint bucket help of Live Paint bucket selection tool. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.